watching our exclusive ABS-CBN sports coverage of the first day of the Final Four here in the men's volleyball tournament of the UAAP. And LaSalle off to a hot start, leading 8-5. That was Kevin De La Vega with that hit. And talking to Coach Sammy Akailar a while ago, he shared with me that na-injure daw ni De La Vega yung kanyang right shoulder during the Uni Games before the start of the season. And he had to play libero for a while.
Yeah, that gets to show how athletic these men are. You know, you just have to come here, watch it live to really appreciate it. Although on TV, you could see that they are really high flyers. But dito, talagang you can see it. If you see it live kasi, it's so amazing. Parang nanonood ka na super friends. Parang mga superheroes kasi they're just so athletic.
Twice the explosiveness and the excitement when you see it in person. And of course, we would like to invite everybody to check out the games at the arena in San Juan City. We have our first timeout. Let's listen in.
Nasa kalang kamay niya, di ba? So target mo yung kalang kamay, hindi hitting arm niya. Pag ganun yung bola mo, pa-slide. So, paandar yung blocker. Dito mo siya papaluin.
Sa gitna ka talaga nun?
Tapos,
okay, sige.
Doon ang receive. Atakin mo ng slide. Ikaw, yung gumitna ka. Combination ka rito para maipit yung center blocker nila. And then, ibato mo rito ng 60% dito kay lapis sa likod.
A variety of attacks.
And going percentage, talagang tinuro na ni Coach George kung kinino madalas dapat ibigay ang set. And that's parang clear instruction coming from Coach George Pascua.
Coach George Pascua in his 8th season as the coach of FEU, won 3 straight championships as a head coach and 2 as a player back in his playing days.
But as you can see off the timeout, again a block ball. Well-organized blocking once again shown by the Green Archers.
De Ocampo, it's a back set to the back row. And Labrador flying from there.
Just too powerful. You even using the blockers from De La Salle to take that point.
Kurt Beliran to serve.
Kurt Beliran, the only graduating player on the side of FEU.
Quick attack.
Cerveza there with a power hit from the middle.
That's the serve. The second look. Look at him go up in the air. Go for the quick hit.
Joseph serving for De La Salle.
Early advantage here for De La Salle University. And look at Avila, the X factor of last year's finals against UST. They need a big boost from him.
They will really need a lot of, especially variety in their offense because of the blocking of the LSU. They have to answer that if they want to win this one against the LSU, because the LSU, sabi nga ni Coach, they will take the shot. Nandito na Final Four and looking good with a 5-point lead. Make that 6.
And De La Salle University really takes pride in their blocking. They have 4 players in the top 10 of the best blocker race. 13-8 is our official tally. This is Philip Cerveza. De Ocampo.
Oh! And that's the way to do it.
On the back quick.
Alexis Paitaren.
9-13.
Look at De Ocampo with that set. May pagka-delay, diba? If you were the blocker of the LSU, you wouldn't know where he would give it because there were 2 quickers for that attack. And that's really the way to fool the blockers.
LaSalle able to keep it alive. Bernardino pops it up. Michael Antonio gets dug up there. It's a joust at the top. Labrador finding the open spot.
And what a tip from Labrador. Look at him address that tip. may address talaga dun sa area na yun and was delivered perfectly. They get the point. Now it's just a 3-point lead for DLSU.
Labrador, an even better player this season, was the number 2 scorer last year. Now he's number 1.
Beautiful play coming from DLSU, that last one. Look at this. Look at that play. Just with a tip, because they fooled the blockers of FEU, easily they take that point. Walang kahirap-hirap.
Kevin De La Vega. De Ocampo, Labrador, with a no-look tip there.
Oh, good read on the side of the Tamaraws, letting that go. Look at Antonio once again. Angle his body, go to that spot.
De La Vega.
De La Vega once again to serve here for LaSalle. They have a 5-point advantage. De Ocampo and Labrador once again trying to get a point. LaSalle somehow able to keep it alive. It's a back set. And
it's a check ball, so point goes to FEU, but LaSalle really challenged that point a lot. De La Vega saving that last ball.
Credit the FEU point to Carl De La Calzada.
Serving for FEU, number 8.
Here's Arvin Avila. Santos, it's a back set.
Off the
And
block.
Antonio once again finishing the job. LaSalle still in control as they are up by 5. We'll be back.